Today, we're talking gold. Yellow metal on a 4-day losing streak, hitting a 3-week low today despite mounting geopolitical tensions with Russia, also in Asia over the weekend. Let us talk gold with Ryan Detrick of Schaefer's Investment Research on the technicals, Steve Cortes on the fundamentals. Ryan, I'm going to start with you because some would say that the charts have been driving gold rather than the fundamentals. Do you agree? And if not, or if so, what are you seeing from the charts?
Sure, Brian, there's definitely some truth to that. Bigger picture, when you look at gold here, formed a nice double bottom just at the end of last year with where the summer lows were last year. Now, what does that tell us? Well, late last year, think about it. No one liked to own gold at the beginning of this year, late last year, because it had its worst year in 30 years. Most of the mining stocks were down between 70 and 90%. Sentiment was very, very low. Now that nice double bottom. So that's a good sign. But take another look here. Gold really has been trading in a range between, 1420 and 1200 since last June. So in other words, it stopped going down. Now it's going sideways. Now, lastly, the one thing I do like, recently the 50-day moving average has moved above the 200-day moving average. What's that called? Well, it's a bullish cross in technical jargon, and it can be a sign that the bulls once again are going to kind of take charge here. And just quickly, had a death cross last March. That's when the 50-day goes beneath the 200-day death cross. It dropped 25% in a couple months after that. Maybe this bullish cross here could be a golden cross here, can be a good sign.
Steve Cortes, do you think it's a good sign? I mean, would you buy gold which has not reacted well in geopolitical turmoil, even though year to date it has been a relative winner?
Melissa, I would not, and I would make a very poor conquistador because I have no lust for gold at all. I think fundamentally, if we look at the recent data, inflation is non-existent, particularly globally outside the United States. If anything, the risks are toward deflation, particularly in Europe. And I think gold is starting to reflect that in recent days. And even more ominously to me, silver is seriously underperforming gold. Most of the time when that happens, when silver lags gold, it is a very bad sign for both of the precious metals.
All right, we're watching that kind of stuff as well as just, sort of ancient historical puns there from Steve Cortes, Neil Young song as well. Guys, thank you very much, Ryan. We're watching it out. Ryan said double bottom twice, but when you say double bottom, you have to say it twice.
Why?
Double bottom.
Double top, double top?
Double bottom,
double
double bottom. All right, be sure to check out the online edition of Talking Numbers, part of our partnership with Yahoo Finance.